this week we receive a lot of so many articles and concern about I call it Purbaya effect. So
we have to appreciate what is the pollution made by Purbaya. Yeah, many people give appreciate. They hope that everything will be very well after this. Yeah, very fundamental. Actually, he do in his action. I think first, Purbaya tried to put uh, the using of budget based on need first. And the second one, it tried to make sure that the budget is using on time. And the third, try to avoid the deviant of using money or avoid the losing money by corruption. I think the 3 point is based on his action. If the local government, for example, the governor, when they meet with him and they give a little, what we call it, a protest, for example, it should be analyzed by some perspective. For example, it is normal if before we get much more money and now the numbers is a little bit decline. It's people or represented by the governor, they protest. It is something normal. But the question now is, um, is it they use the money distributed by the central government is effectively to use it in the local? That is the first question actually. So the increasing of money distributed to the local area or local government, for example, it will be not used effectively. Says there's a problem of believing, problem of believing. So I think Purbaya also have many reason to do that. Yeah, for example, the real fact that we can show to all of the people is the number of diminution of poverty in the local area, for example. The number presentation of poverty, it's stagnant or even increase. So if we evaluate it by the using of money until now, we can say that this is not giving a progress, for example. So the point in this case is about how to use the money effectively and based on the need. So how, to say it in Indonesia, tepat sasaran. Tepat sasaran.
I think that's the case. I think that's the case. I think you also been through almost 30 years in the development arena, especially regional development. And one challenge, the capacity of our local leaders to to take action to divine good. Now we are facing what can I say, the capacity of local leaders to transform into an effective or efficient planning mechanism or maybe program. How do you observe the capacity of local leaders, especially from provincial or district or municipalities in Indonesia?
Okay, the first one, I have some experience working together with the local government in the some program with JICA, for example, with you also, program with the UNDP, United Nations also. We come to the conclusion that something that we have to do first is to produce the local government with the high how to say it, like a good governance. Yeah. My background is agriculture. For example, one of the problem is the agriculture is about the soil acid. Soil acid. In the soil acid, we cannot fertilize by using many fertilizer distribute to all of the land if the soil is still in the condition of acid, for example. Soil acid, the effectively of using fertilizer, for example, we use urea, TSP, etc. It will be not effective because it will be take by some how to say that in chemic like ferrum, aluminium, and magnesium. They cut it. So before we give the fertilizer, we have to neutralize first the soil. If we make how to say analog with this case, before we give the money to all of the actor, we have to neutralize first. The neutralize in this case is about governance. So
okay. You mean 200 trillions given to the bank for to strengthen the local sectors, or real economic actors.
Okay,
you mean need a precondition?
That is another case because until now we know that money is still always in the central bank. For example, it is like money sleeping money in there. So you wake up the money and distribute to all of the bank. That is one of the good point. But the next point is if that money already distributed to all of the stakeholder should be used by all of the stakeholder effectively. That is also the second point, because not only take out from the central bank and then distribute and everything is finished. No, it's not finished, because we have to make sure that the distribute of money is also using based on need and on time and also. So in my mind, we have had about some step. The first step is political will. So Purbaya, representative of government, Prabowo now, have a good political will for this. The second one is about political budgeting, and he tried to realize it. And now we already in the political budgeting, political will and political budgeting. And the last one is political implementation. So if this point, the three step is very important. In fact, we always find only in the political will without budget, or political will with budget, but not in implementation. If three is not, we don't find it, three of this step, we need the last one is the community participation. And community participation cannot reach if we have not the individual or group initiative. So community participation come from the individual or group initiative. That is my probably my last point for this communication.
I think we also realize that some issues here is the capacity of our local leaders, as I mentioned before. Sometimes, I think there's so many leaders coming from with lack of experience in planning, they coming from the corporate or businessmen, something like that. And how do you observe this initiative or this challenge from Purbaya?
Potential thing that we can develop together. The first one in the parts of agriculture, and the second one is the mining now. Yeah, I
Mining.
I I follow the presentation from the Professor Jatna from Universitas Indonesia some days ago in Tadulako University, and he said that now we take the small and we destroy the more. Uh, kita mengambil yang sedikit dan kita menghancurkan yang banyak. So
Mm,
um,
mm.
it's mean that
It's about mining, yeah.
yeah, it's mining.
Mm,
In his perspective, that mining is something very small actually, and we have a very big potential. It's about biodiversity, and in
mm,
science we have agriculture, and have what is plantation, etc. With the like what is potential for the long time, for
valuable
example. Yeah,
resource, yeah.
yeah,
Mm,
yeah.
yeah.
The local governments should be how to say, to inform them about this point, yeah? Because
Yeah.
in the what is natural resources, we distinguish
Mm-mm.
with the two part, the something that we can use for a long time and something that we use for the short time. So the mining is
Mm.
must in the category of the short time, but the mining the short time destroy
Mm-mm,
the
mm-mm,
the
mm.
the long time
Mm.
good. Yeah. So
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
if the
yeah.
government effective to use the money, they can
Yeah.
use it, for example, to support the agricultural sector.
Mm-mm.
Farmer, the duty of the farmer is how to increase the production, but the farmer always have a very obstacle and the problem outside from them. For example,
Yeah.
how to provide the seedling, how to provide the fertilizer, how to provide
Mm-mm,
the
mm-mm,
pesticide, and the
mm.
last one, they cannot control the what is marketing. So if we are how to say it, understand the problem of the farmer, we have support them because and then we give them opportunity to increase the capacity of production, and others of that should be supported by the government. Yeah?
Mm-mm, mm-mm,
And the
mm.
effect of policy by uh, Purbaya is
Mhm.
will support by using the money effectively. I do hope from this policy can support the basic fundamental of uh, what
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah,
mean
yeah,
the,
yeah,
in,
yeah. Pak
uh-huh.
Dr. Sangaji,
Yeah.
this we are transferring from capitalization to socialization. So socialism, something like that. Do you think about that?
Yeah, yeah. Um, we
Yeah,
should
yeah.
understand together that
Uh-huh.
two important point in development. The first one, development should respond community need first.
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah.
And the second one, development on sensitive of disaster, actually natural disaster and social disaster that we call it conflict. So that is the
Mm-hmm.
two important point in the development. In my mind, if the development not respond or solve the problem of community, is not the development. So that's why all of the planning should be supporting by involving, for example, to the local people to join
Mm-hmm.
it or whatever mechanism they use. But the
Mm-hmm.
point is how they use they involve
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
the local, yeah, the local people to join, to gain what we call it the sense of belonging. Sense is
Mm.
belonging. It will produce something that we call it the share of benefit and share of risk. So the development will be the responsible for not only the government but also the people as stakeholder in this case. Yeah. So all of the people should involve together in the development as a their responsibility. I
Yeah,
think. Yeah.
yeah. Let's be positive. Yeah, considering the idea, the Purbaya effect
Yeah.
in terms of what we have now in Sulawesi
Yes,
region in
yes, and
general. Dr.
I
Sungaji. Yeah,
saw well that he has also the very high commitment. I see,
yeah,
but
yeah,
from
yeah.
Bombay,
So you
high
mentioned,
commitment.
wait,
Yeah,
you mentioned before,
yeah,
agriculture, mining, especially from
yeah,
Sulawesi region, is a very demanding, yeah,
yeah,
resource, yeah, for
yeah,
the development.
yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
we are now
Mhm.
thinking like a future outlook or possible
Yeah,
collaboration in the future regarding
yeah,
the Purbaya effect. Yeah.
yeah,
So, what do you think the priority things or the priority actions should be
yeah.
taken by the local government here?
Okay. Okay. As I mentioned before, that the local government should take initiative to invite all of the stakeholder, important stakeholder from the what is government itself, from the top until in the base, for example, RT,
Uh-huh.
RW, etc., whatever
Mm-hmm.
mechanism, and also they invite what is NGO, academician, and also okay, sit down together again. Is yeah
Yeah, yeah,
again
yeah,
because
yeah.
probably before we already do that but in the situation now continuous improvement we invite and we rethink again. I always talk to my student until now in the class we learn how to think and in the field we learn how to do but in community we learn how to live together because togetherness will make everything easy to be done.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
government
yeah,
should be understand
yeah.
well about that.
What about the last also I think I read in the newspaper the tax the effectiveness in pursuing the big company or big taxpayer to be
Mhm.
pursued by the minister. Yeah, what do you think about that? I mean, in terms of like mining or big company in regional area, is there also possibility for taking more money from them in like
Okay.
mining
Yeah,
industry something like
yeah. I just coming back from Jakarta
that? Uh-huh.
as speak up in the Minister of Environment, and they continue to Luwuk Banggai to meet
Uh,
all of many head of the what is enterprise, the local enterprise, and also the mining enterprise. There we discuss about, for example, like CSR, for example.
uh-huh.
But in my mind, CSR first should be put it in the right side. And also we have to recount again the advantage for the local area and the local government or local to say that regional and also
Yeah, yeah,
national
yeah,
partner.
yeah.
Because for example I give an example for my government in central Sulawesi. They complain to the central government about the distribute of benefit by mining, for example. They take its many things and very high value from Central Sulawesi, for example,
Yeah,
but
yeah, yeah,
they give to Central Sulawesi just a few. Um, and also the disaster they produce it from their exploitation, for example.
mhm,
So all of
mhm,
this should be discussed again, rediscussed it again together with the heart. Yeah, not only
yeah,
by using the think, but also this heart So if we want to keep Indonesia well now and forever, we have to put it together in how to say the justice point in the last.
Justice,
Or to the different.
yeah. I think you know
Justice,
that
yeah.
like North Maluku or Central Sulawesi, it's a very
Yeah,
rich
yeah, yeah,
province, yeah.
yeah,
But we
yeah,
also realize that the resource, yeah, the budget
yeah,
availability also
yeah, yeah,
need to be considered based on relation between central
yeah,
government, provincial, region,
yeah,
district,
yeah,
municipalities, and so on. How district leaders or regions uh, fully understand about the essence of development or planning, right?
yeah,
So, your last comment about the general condition now, especially in planning from the regional development arena. I mean, we also been through with the election with so many leaders not really capable enough as a leaders because of the what do you think? I mean, in terms of in completing the idea of bias effect to for our
yeah.
conclusion today.
Yeah, yeah. That is we're talking about the recruitment and requirement of
Oh,
being the leader, for example. Yeah, okay, that is normal. Every 5 year we get the
mm,
newcomer leaders. So the rule of the first one, the education, the rule of politic party, and then etc. They should how to say the yeah prepare it well. I give for example for being the members of KPU, for example, we need very much requirement. You should be. But for being the kepala daerah or for being
yeah, yeah,
governor, we
yeah.
have no requirement actually. And
Uh-huh.
so that is something they have to rethinking again about that, yeah,
Yeah,
for
yeah,
recruitment
yeah.
of the leaders,
Okay.
because the leaders is leadership is one of the very important point to start
Mm.
to do the bets for the now or for the next.
In Central Sulawesi, the lecturer, the academician or researcher from the university invite by the government to be part of the
Yeah,
planning.
actually, yeah, actually, and I'm also helping them actually, but this is professionally to produce many, for example, the development document,
Mhm.
especially in the parts of environment point, for example, KLHS, strategic
Okay, okay, okay.
environmental assessment, for example,
Mhm.
beside of AMDAL, beside, so,
Yeah, yeah,
so
yeah,
because
yeah, yeah,
KLHS, that is one of the important point.
requirements. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah,
it is a
yeah,
requirement now for
yeah.
many
Okay,
planning document.
okay.
Yep,
Dr.
that's it.
Nur Sangaji, thank you for your time, for
You're
your
welcome.
respond about the issue. I think this our first time for the
Okay.
online discussion, and hopefully after this we may continue with other issues or things to be considered. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
next time probably we can use bahasa bahasa Prancis.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Probably
yeah.
next last month we have international seminar sponsored by some of my friend from France. Yeah,
Oh,
France.
yeah, yeah,
They will be.
yeah.
I
Yeah, so
inform you. I inform you.
yeah,
Probably you
let
can
me know
join
if
in the.
there like an
Okay.
international
Okay.
seminar or
Okay.
symposium because I really
Okay.
need to attend that.
Yep. Okay.
Maybe visit Palu.
Good.
Thank you. Terima kasih
Okay.
banyak. Thank you. All the best. Sehat selalu.
Barakallah.
Assalamualaikum.
Syukran
Ya.
kasiran.